Hello, Zach from Slate Safety here to show you the highlights of the Slate Safety software system. We have three main pages as part of our software: the live page where real-time data can be viewed, the history page where historical data can be viewed, and the organization page where the organization can administer how the system works. Starting here with the live page, you can see these cards which are sorted by the number of alert notifications, followed by the selected metric, currently heart rate. But we could simply change that to core temp, and you can see that the cards resort themselves. You can also show the users groups or locations. Finally, there are different views for the live page, such as the chart page, which shows the last 5 minutes of data, as well as any alerts that occurred for the top 10 users based on the metric, and the map page, which is specifically made for viewing GPS data. Of course, GPS is toggleable on our system. Therefore, if it is not in use, there will be no data here. Going over to the history page, you can see all of the historical data that's been collected and any alerts that occurred. Here, you can see a core temp alert of greater than 101.3 for 5 minutes. Also, you can see any GPS data that was collected, as well as specified statistics down here. Going to the organization page, this is where the system is administered. You can set up groups, users, loadouts, or bands. On the Loadouts tab, you can set how a device operates by setting different alert thresholds. Here, you can see that the alert threshold is set for heart rate greater than 120, but you can change that by simply clicking this dropdown and changing it. This changes physically when the device vibrates on the worker. You can also set return to work thresholds, letting the worker know when it's safe for them to return to work. Finally, we are constantly adding new features such as GPS and tap alert to the system, and you can simply turn those on or off as it becomes available. Once you're happy with your loadout, you can simply hit submit here, and it will propagate to all of the devices. Thank you for listening to my highlights of the software.